Hey everyone, Seb here, and in this video we're going to be looking at Instagram's new feature, Instagram Reels. I'll be sharing some of my best tips on how to make better Instagram Reels. So in this video we're going to be covering video dimensions, best video aspect ratio, how to edit your Reels with music and text, and everything else that you need to know on how to make better Instagram Reels. But before we get started, my name's Seb. This channel is all about videography, video editing and photography. So if that sounds interesting to you, do consider hitting the subscribe button, but let's jump right into the video. If you're completely new to Instagram Reels, it's basically a carbon copy of TikTok. It has its own For You page. You have two video options, either a 15-second video or a 30-second video, but let's jump right into Instagram so you can have a look at what it looks like. So once you're on Instagram, you click on the middle icon, you'll see like a play button, and that is your Instagram Reels section. You can scroll through the videos just like that. If you want to create a video, you click on the camera icon on the top right. There's also another way you can do this by just going on your main feed, clicking on the plus, and then you'll have your post section. If you swipe over 2 slots, you'll have your Instagram Reels section. From here you can see a few basic settings. You have your 15 or 30-second timer. You can add audio if you like, and you can change the speed of your video. If you want to record, you can just press the main button, but if you want to add a video from your camera roll, just click on the camera roll and you can add your video. Here I'm going to add this video right here and click add. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to press next, and then you can add your text here if you want. So if I just put hello and then press done, and then for instance if I wanted my text to reappear and disappear, you click on the bottom left and you can make your text appear and disappear within the video. So that's really nice. When you want to post your video, you just press share to. You can add your caption and hashtags, select your cover, and then once you're happy with that, you just press done, and then you can choose whether you want to share to feed or not. So that's really the basics of Instagram Reels, but now we're going to jump onto an editing software so you can make better Instagram Reels. I'm going to show you how you can edit your video, what are the best video dimensions and aspect ratios to use, and what are the best video export settings. So let's head over to Premiere Pro. Alright, so we're going to open up Premiere Pro like here, and once that's opened up, we're going to start a new project. So all we have to do is select a new project, and here I'm just going to type in tutorial, and the location is saved to my desktop. Once Premiere Pro is open, I'm going to drag in my video files. So I've just got 2 video files right here, and then we're going to create a new sequence so you can get your video dimensions correct. Just go over to settings and make sure your frame size is 1080, and then your vertical is 1920. And it should say your aspect ratio is 9:16. Once you've done that, select your frame rate to the correct one. I'm shooting at 25 FPS, so that's good for me. Then I'm going to press OK. Now drag in your first clip and you're going to get a clip mismatch warning. That's completely normal. Just do keep existing settings and make sure not to change it. Say keep existing settings. Now, because I'm shooting in 4K, I'm going to have to scale it down to 50% and change the rotation to 90 degrees to make sure it fits the correct aspect ratio. Now, if you're new to basic editing, to cut your video, you just have to click on this razor tool right here, and then you can start chopping up your footage. A good rule of thumb is these audio spikes, because that means that's where you're talking, and where there's no audio, it means that you're not talking. So you can just get rid of the blanks. Once you're happy with your video, you can then go to your export settings by going to File, Export Media. Now the export settings you're going to want to use is format H.264 and then select match source high bitrate. Then you're going to want to scroll down to your video settings and then make sure that render at maximum depth is selected, and then go down to your bitrate settings and make sure it's DBR past 2, and then select it to 8 and 8. Then go to your use maximum render quality and check that, and then you're ready to export your video. So once you've finished exporting your video, you can send the file to your phone via AirDrop if you're on Mac, but if you're on Windows, you can do it via Google Drive or Dropbox, whatever's easiest for you, and then you can upload straight onto Instagram Reels from your phone. But there you go guys, that's how you can make better Instagram Reels. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.